going to get that precision. But there is baseline information that is very, very useful for determining next steps and advising on future strategies. So over time,
erosion, not lake levels.
Yes, but the same for erosion. Yes, absolutely. So we need to actually understand, and as Scott said before, we need to understand what's happening in each local area. And to do that, we're working with each companies or each contributors in those areas to understand and confirm what their monitoring requirements are, and then we're collating that. So some of it's driven by resource consents, some of it driven by other factors.
So you just said, if you don't mind me repeating you, that your information comes from the power generators which you collate.
That's part of it. But we also get it from NIWA, we get it from Met Service, we get it from a number of agencies.
Well, forgive me for being cynical,
No.
but I've been here for 5 years, and this erosion problem has probably been one of our number one issues in the district. In the last triennium we hired a bus, we went to Waikato Regional Council, I stood up in the public gallery and I asked for speaking rights on behalf of the people of Taupo, which I was denied, and the opportunity was lost to do a review, which a lot of people wanted to do. And I'm just, all of a sudden, we've got another review coming up, and Mighty River Power's in the room, and I thank you for that, and you're in the room, and friends of Lake Taupo are here, and everyone's talking about getting round the table. I look forward to this, getting round the table. And I would like to ask, could we have a commitment that it will be done before the window closes for this review?
That commitment is, there's no alternate but to do it prior to that.
Okay, any further questions, councillors? No? Okay, agenda item number 3 isn't from the Community Response Forum, it's from Mr Adam Munro and Mr Scott Fowles. I would like a mover and a seconder to thank them for their presentation here today, please. Moved Councillor Downard, seconded Councillor Williams. All those in favour? Aye. Thank you very much.